Hey everyone! So today we're working on a 14 by 14 canvas and we're going to do a bottle bottom pour. We haven't done one of these in a long time, so I thought we were about due. I am going to be using silicone in the paint. My colors today are Pourage Posse Purple Shimmer, Pourage Posse Sleeping Beauty Turquoise Shimmer, Pourage Posse Morning Pansy Shimmer, Color Shift Plum Flash, and Pourage Posse Christina's Laguna. And I believe I'm going to do them this way. It's going to be mostly purple, and I do want that little hint of turquoise and yellow in there just to break things up. So we're going to get started with the purple shimmer first. So we will get cells. Don't know how many, but we will get them. So I like to put about a good tablespoonful of paint on there for each color. If you're just starting out pouring, these are fun paintings to do. Teaches you a little paint control. And it helps teach you how to tilt. So subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. You'll get to see some more fun things that we have coming up. I feel like that color shift is a little thin, so it may give us some issues when we're tilting. Last round. And I'm going to finish with the purple pansy, the morning pansy. And I think I'm going to do just one swat of gold so I can pull that into the center. So I'm going to torch this real quick, get the bubbles out. Get some cells probably. I'm kind of hoping that that Pourage Posse purple will bleed into the yellow a little bit. So let me pop this off. I always have my hand ready. I lift, let it drip, and slide my hand under to catch it, just in case it would drip. We have a lot of white in the middle. If you push your canvas down, it helps the paint come to the middle quicker. And then I'm going to pull in from this purple just to fix that center. If you have too much paint in the middle, you can scoop some of that out. I haven't done that yet. I know there's some artists that do. Once you get it all in there, then just take your middle and do a little swirl. Now, on the outside petals, I like to pull in. So I'm going to pull in two, just to the purple. And the only reason that I pull in, some people like to pull out, but a lot of times I'll just leave my bottle bottom flower to one side and leave the edges if they do something cool with the edges. If I would have started with the color shift, I would be all silly on the outside. So I know all my paint's in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and start tilting. I find with the bottle bottom pours, the slower you tilt, the better. And went from one corner to the next corner to keep that center. See how it's breaking apart? Now when I bring that back, it should be okay. So once you get that back in the center, then you're going to head your other corners here. And I'm going to let this one come off. Once you see your center starting to get a little wonky, you want to go ahead and let your paint come over the edge. I'm going to go ahead and bring it all the way off. Because I want to work on getting that center back together. Okay, so now I have to figure out where I'm going next. Probably this way. And a lot of times when I get 3 of these off, I'll bring it back to the middle and decide if I want to take that 4th one off. I like things that aren't centered in the middle. I have a couple of petals that are a little wonky, but I'm not minding that at all. I'm loving the outside edges. I think I'm going to leave it right there. Let's torch it and see if we get any more cells. All these paints have silicone in them, so we may get some cells popping later. However, they did not overlap each other very much, so it may just stay here. Oh, here comes some. I lied. I'm trying to decide if I want to go ahead and go that way. I think I might. Decisions. So here's where you may have to rock to make sure all that paint stays in one spot. See how that center goes? So when you come back, you want to come back exactly the same way. Not sideways or... It's very important to keep that paint all together. So there, I'm going to leave it right there because I think that looks cute. Torch one more time. Now you can come back when this is dry and play with that center, or because I know if I put paint in there now it's just going to sink, so you're better off touching it up when it's dry. But I like it. I like the way the edges went out. Let me show you up close. And we did get a few cells in there. The center's not the greatest, but we can play with that when it's dry. Love this corner here. So that's it for that one, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Share the video if you want to share it on Pinterest or wherever you share your videos. That's fine too. The paint mixing videos are below in the description. I have 2 recipes there, one for the base paint and one for the bottle paints. Also, join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. right here on our channel. We do live acrylic pouring. Sometimes we do 5. Most of the times it's 4. If you have questions, that's a perfect time to answer or get them answered. Also, join our group on Facebook, the Pourage Posse with Christina Welch. And also my art page is on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. Check out more links below for all our other things we have going, the Etsy shop, and etc., etc. And I hope to see you on a Monday night, and hope to see you back here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.